In today's lecture, we discuss correlation. The term correlation is similar with the word relationship. We can take same meaning of correlation and relationship. So, with the help of correlation, we examine the relationship among variables. Think carefully. Correlation as meaning shared of two words, co-relationship among variables. So these two words co-relationship, we can make one word co-relationship. So this co-relationship among variables is called correlation. If you are new on my channel Statisticians Club, please subscribe the channel. Also press bell icon to receive latest videos. So now we discuss its definition of correlation. Correlation measures the direction and strength of the linear relationship between two quantitative variables. For example, if we have two variables, quantitative variables, and we want to determine their direction and the strength of relationship, it is a weak relationship or strong relationship among variables. So we can determine this with the help of correlation. Correlation is mathematically represented by R. Formula of correlation coefficient. The formula of R, which is also called correlation coefficient, begins by standardizing the observations. If we have quantitative variable, first of all we convert our raw observations into standardized form. We convert into standardizing form by using the formula xi minus x bar over standard deviation of x. In this formula, we subtract mean from the original observation and divided by its standard deviation, we get the standardized score. So in correlation, first of all, we convert our quantitative values into standardized form. So look here an example. X is the height in centimeters and Y is the weight in kilograms. We have height and weight measurements of n people. Then x bar and sx are the mean and standard deviation of n heights. These both quantities are in centimeters. So the value xi minus x bar over sx is the standardized height of ith person. So the standardized height says, what we take the mean of standardized height here, how many standard deviations above or below the mean a person height lies. For example, 1.3 standard deviation means the value lie from mean above 1.3 standard deviation. So standardized value have no unit. In this example, there is our data cannot be measured no longer in centimeters. So correlation R is the average of product of standardized height and weight. We have two variable, height and weight. We convert first height into standardized form and weight into standardized form. So the product of standardized height and standardized weight, and by taking their average, this is called correlation. Here is the computational formula for R. There are two types of computational formula for correlation. One is Blanch formula and other is Rascore formula. In Blanch are computational formula. The other name is computational formula. We first calculate mean and standard deviation from data. Mostly the researchers represent their data by telling mean and standard deviation. So this formula is mostly used. The formula is R is equal to summation xy over capital N minus x bar y bar over sx sy, where x and y are paired observations. Because we each value of x multiplied by each value of y, so these are paired observation. Here is the detail of formula. Xy is the product of each x value multiplied by its paired y value. X bar represent the mean of variable x, y bar the mean of variable y, sx standard deviation of variable x, sy the standard deviation of variable y, capital N is number of observations. In correlation coefficient, which variable called x and which variable called y does not make any difference. The example we discuss is height and weight. We take height as x and weight as y, or weight given x and height given y. It does not matter in correlation because we simply check the relationship between two variables. RAS-score formula. With RAS-score formula, you calculate R from RAS scores without computing mean and standard deviation. So we insert direct x and y observations, but before this we convert into standardized form. So here is R is equal to capital N sum of xy minus sum of y sum of x under root capital N sum of x square minus sum of x whole square into capital N sum of y square minus sum of y whole square. Thanks for watching.